So you are interested in the micronutrient blood panel. I am so excited to tell you about this test. It is my absolute favorite functional lab screening that is available currently on the market. And it is amazing because your micronutrients, which are vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, will be measured on this test. And those are really the building blocks to your entire body, to every cell, to every organ system, to every individual organ, all of them in balance, meaning not too little and not too much, are important in maintaining homeostasis in the body and helping to heal all of the different systems like your hormones and your digestion and your immune system. So my thinking and the way I work is that we cannot isolate any one of those areas. Let's say for hormones, you're having hormonal symptoms, and we can't just throw some hormones at you without first addressing your micronutrients, because micronutrients are what make up hormones. So if you continue to stay deficient in certain micronutrients that are the precursors to your hormones, you're never going to heal. Your body and your cells in those organ systems will not have the chance to heal if we just throw supplements and different hormones at the system. We really need to kind of look at the root cause, if you will, at why your hormones are in a dysfunctional state in the first place. So this micronutrient test will look at 31 different vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, as well as how your blood glucose is on a functional level. And with that information, we can build you a custom multivitamin supplement that is specific to what you need at exactly the right amounts that your body needs, and not give you things that you don't need. So it's really the most beautiful way to fine tune your health, to get a kickstart on all of those different organ systems, and really make sure that we are addressing cellular health, because your cells, again, are what create your organs, and those create your organ systems. Everything always comes back to the cell. Something else that's really great that's on this test is the marker oleic acid. And oleic acid will tell us how your cell membrane permeability is functioning. And this is important because a lot of times in regular blood work from a general MD, like let's say thyroid hormones, going back to your hormonal system, you can have enough thyroid hormone in your blood, but if the thyroid hormone isn't crossing the cell membrane and getting inside the cell to do its job, you're probably going to have some thyroid symptoms. So again, we don't want to just chase the symptoms, because that's not looking at how the body is functioning and restoring that dysfunction. So we want to look at the cell membrane. That's also really important. And a lot of times just addressing that will help more nutrients get into the cell, and you don't actually need a whole bunch of other supplements. So everyone is a little bit different. Everybody has different levels of these things inside our body. And with this functional lab screening of your micronutrients, we get to look inside your cell. So like I just mentioned, with regular blood work you can get from a doctor, that is extracellular blood analysis. We are looking outside the cell with that type of blood work at what is just in your blood floating around and being transported in your body, which is good information. But when you get it compared to what's inside your cell, you get to actually see how the cell membrane, again, is functioning, and if each cell is getting enough nutrients to actually do its job inside your body, which is the entire goal with it all. So this test cannot be done in a couple places like New York and Rhode Island. If you are open to a little bit of travel, we can definitely find some workarounds around that if you are really interested in getting this done. So this test, I also just wanted to say, buying it singularly, like a la carte, is going to be about double the price than what it would be if you purchased it within my full program. So my full program is called the Health Freedom Program, and it really gives you a blueprint for every single system. We analyze every system in your body, so you again have that full picture of what's going on, and we're not just chasing symptoms down a singular path. So again, all of the functional lab work in that full Health Freedom program, you get at my cost as a practitioner, and it is the best deal that you could possibly find on functional lab work. But if you just want to start with the singular micronutrient screening, you can do that right here, and then maybe later on do the rest of the program. But this is a really great place. I think every single human on the planet needs to start and get done for themselves. So if you have any questions, you can email me at leah@lifelabwellnessco.com, and you can also check out all this information on my website, www.lifelabwellnessco.com.